Good morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. I have got something really special for you today, and I'm going to do just a video showing you what this new alignment tool is. It's part of an overall alignment system, and I am going to do a full alignment on my car, but as you can see, it is raining cats and dogs, and I'm in San Diego, so what the heck is going on? But anyway, if the weather breaks, I'm going to do it tomorrow. I have to move cars around. I'm going to do an alignment on my C6 Corvette, and I have to bring it. I have to change cars around, change garages around. Anyway, long story short, I'm rained out today, but these new lasers are going to upgrade from the Bosch lasers that were originally included in the alignment kit. All right, I've got the rest of the alignment kit right up there. I've got it all assembled, and I like to leave it that way unless I'm taking it to the track. If I'm taking it to the track, I'll take it apart and put it in that carrying case right there. Anyway, let's get back to these new lasers. Holy cow. Check this out. The box they come in, that's like the box you'd get a Rolex watch in. Really nice. These lasers are, I don't know, almost I want to say handmade lasers. They have individual serial numbers on them, and they have a laboratory measured power output, so guaranteed. One of the other uses, just as a side note, one of the other uses for these lasers are with telescopes. And the guys who have these really pro telescopes use the laser pointer to get in the neighborhood, I guess, of a star or an object that maybe they want to look at the space station, or I don't know, whatever they want to look at. They get close with the laser, and then they use the telescope for fine-tuning it to finally get on the item that they want to look at. Anyway, here is what it comes with. A charging station. I've got it charging right now. Get it ready for tomorrow. Comes with two lasers. Hold on. Okay, there you go. There's two lasers. It comes with mounting brackets. Now, I mean, this is like I'd have on one of my rifles. These are really finely precision made by the same company that makes the lasers, and it comes with miscellaneous hardware. So what I was thinking, and the reason I wanted to get out this video today is Christmas is coming, and you might want to buy yourself a present to put under the tree, and that would be this laser upgrade to the alignment kit. Anyway, that's going to be about it. Oh, it also comes with some carrying cases, protection, so you don't have to have the boxes with you all the time. This is made to maybe go on a belt. I'm not sure what that other thing is, but they protect the lasers. And I wanted to get this out there because I know some of you guys and gals have been waiting to see this. And so here it is. And wish me luck tomorrow. If I get a break in the weather, I'm going to do an alignment with this new tool. Okay? See you later. Froggy out. Give me a thumbs up if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Be safe. Have fun. Take care. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Bye-bye.